Yo, what is going on, guys? It is Benner Cartoon 91 here, and today I am back with episode number. I actually don't know what episode it is. I think it's episode number 14, maybe 15, of Road to My Dream Gaming Setup. And today we got a new mic. So this is the Shure SM7B, and hopefully it's sounding pretty good. I still have not put on the cloud lifter, so it might be a little bit quiet, but I was streaming with it this past weekend when I didn't yet have the cloud lifter, and it was loud enough for chat, so let's hope it's loud enough here. But yeah, we got a couple other things to unbox, so let's get right on into it. So obviously, like I said, we have the Shure SM7B, which is a dynamic microphone used on very popular podcasts like Impulsive and on Joe Rogan's podcast. So obviously, it is a very good mic, and I am in love. I did not need this upgrade, especially considering I had the AT2035 for not that long, but I got a good deal on it, and I'm a sucker for gears, so we all know how that went. But the other thing we have is the Cloudlifter CL1 mic activator or preamp. This comes with a little manual, comes with a little wire strap, and then it comes with the thing itself, which honestly, it doesn't look like it's worth $150, but it is needed to run the Shure SM7B on a lot of mixers, unless your mixer is like a Go XLR, which has a built-in preamp, which is strong enough to run the Shure SM7B. So yeah, now that this is all over, let's go set up that mic. Alright, so like I said, I have the cloud lifter right here, and then I also got a secondary windscreen. So this actually comes with the Shure SM7B, but since I got a used deal, the person I bought it from didn't have it, so I went on to Amazon and bought a new one. It was like 20 bucks, which is kind of expensive for this little piece of film, but I think it will be worth it. So yeah, they also have the cloud lifter right here. So this is just like a preamplifier. It's for one microphone. There is the CL2, which is a 2-channel one, and then I think there's also one that's a little bit bigger than that. You can actually see the mic and the camera and the reflection. And then last but not least, I actually bought another 2 XLR cables. So this is the brand that I already have, but the thing is, I have 2 10-foot ones. So I bought 2 6-foot ones, and it was like 10-15 bucks. So in the grand scheme of things, it wasn't that much money. But yeah, now let's put it together. Alright, so we're gonna take the cable right here, open it up, and plug this into the mic itself. So this just goes into this little place right here, and then we have these, which I will use for the cables in just a minute. And then this, which is the other end that's plugged into here, is going to go into the cloud lifter. So this goes right here, just like that. It clips in, and then you're going to want to get your other cable, this one, and then what you're going to want to do is take this end, plug it into this end of the cloud lifter, and then you plug the other end into your mixer. For me, it's the Rode AI-1, which is right there, and I'm gonna do that and see how the audio sounds. And one more thing you're gonna wanna know, although the Shure SM7B is a dynamic mic, which means that it doesn't require phantom 48 volts power, since we are using a cloud lifter, it does, and you are gonna wanna turn on your power just like that. Now, the audio is running through the cloud lifter to the Shure SM7B. So let's see how that sounds. Alright, so now this is the Shure SM7B with the cloud lifter. I really hope it sounds good, because if it doesn't, I wasted a lot of money. Even though I got a great deal, this microphone is still very expensive. And my whole goal is to make it sound as good for you guys and for the streams. So if you guys aren't following me on Twitch, go take a look, go follow down below, twitch.tv/cartoon91. Same as my YouTube name, so pretty simple. But yeah, now only one more thing to do. The last thing that I have to do is to put on the big boy pop filter. So this thing is much thicker than the pop filter we have right here. So although it might not sound that different, it should cut down the T's and P's, which is the whole reason of the pop filter. But this is what it looks like. This is the smaller one. It's a lot thinner, and I hope that this one works well, because I did spend $20 extra on this. But all is good, I hope. So yeah, now I'm gonna listen to this really quickly, because I have no idea how it sounds, and I really hope it sounds good. I'm not gonna film my reaction or anything. I just want to hear it with the cloud lifter. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that right now. Alright, so that is all I have for you guys today. Hopefully you enjoyed. I'm very excited for this mic. I think it will make a great addition to all the gear here, make the video sound better, make the stream sound better. That is the ultimate goal. So I think this is a step in the right direction. I'm super happy with this mic. I just listened to some of the sound tests, and I think it sounds a lot better than the AT2035. As always, leave a like, subscribe. Go tell me some video ideas in the description down below. Tell me what else I should add to my setup to produce higher quality content. And yeah, hopefully you guys are having a great day. Stay safe. Peace.